And we will be looking into them quickly if the university says no again to the offer that they themselves have solicited. Other lawsuits in preparation are claims by donors who contributed to Antioch College, either to the annual fund or to the capital campaign, at a time when university personnel knew that the college would close and failed to disclose that fact. In my world, that's called fraud. Claims by students who were promised and awarded scholarships for a four-year Antioch education, and claims on behalf of donors of restricted funds that may have been misappropriated. In addition, one of our alumni lawyers, who does not practice in Ohio, spent, I have no idea how many hours going through the Ohio Revised Code, and came up with an arcane statute, apparently never been used, that says that 5 citizens of Greene County may petition the Attorney General to investigate breaches of fiduciary duty by the university trustees. Including their duties of due care, proper accounting, and loyalty. Our outstanding lawyers in Columbus have been speaking to the Attorney General's office about it, and a lawyer in their charitable organizations division was very interested in this statute. It gives them powers they didn't know they had, and as I have said, who knows what we may have unleashed here. We may live to regret it. But that preparation is that petition is in preparation, and needless to say, we have way more than 5 citizens of Greene County who are interested in petitioning. How likely is it that we would actually win any of these claims? Our lawyers have done their duty and warned us that these claims will be very difficult to prevail on. Trustees enjoy a presumption that they have acted in good faith. They are entitled to exercise business judgment, and they are entitled to make mistakes. But I keep saying, but how many? And all in the same direction. They enjoy a heavy presumption that what they have done is indeed in the best interest of their institution. Which means that we will have to prove by clear and convincing evidence, which is a heightened standard of proof, that the trustees breached their fiduciary duties to the university, not just the college. And that's important to understand. And so it will be tough to prevail on these claims. I will tell you that among the lawyers I have spoken to, including one who described himself as a Roderick Republican, when I was bringing him up to speed on the situation, said, this really stinks. But it'll be tough. And I have to make a disclaimer here. I am not licensed to practice law in Ohio, and I am not permitted by my law firm to practice law on behalf of anyone other than their clients, and so I am not acting as a lawyer in this case. I am a coordinator and a potential plaintiff. But I did teach civil procedure for 11 years, and my own personal view is that these claims will survive motions to dismiss on the pleadings. What that means is we get discovery. And we may well discover additional potential claims when we do. The faculty lawsuit has already cleared that hurdle, survived a motion to dismiss, and discovery is underway. People have asked me, well, which do you think is the strongest claim? And I think in many ways it's the faculty claim, because it's a simple breach of contract claim. The faculty's contract in the Policies and Procedures Manual sets out very specific things the trustees were required to do before declaring financial exigency, including consulting the faculty and doing this not in public. And they did none of those things. The contract also states that they may terminate tenured faculty only if the financial emergency cannot be alleviated by less drastic means. Now, again, speaking as a layperson, it seems to me that the trustees have been presented with at least 3 or 4 very viable, less drastic alternatives to terminating our faculty and closing the college. The other thing to say about litigation is that well over 90% of civil lawsuits settle. You're really moving the negotiations to a different arena with different power dynamics in play. So, in my personal opinion, we will get our college back. The university now agrees with us that an independent college is in the best interest of both the college and the university. It's hard to see how we can fail to achieve that goal once the university has said that.